Okay guys, so we are on road trip now. So we left home by around 5 o'clock in the morning. Now it's 6 o'clock. So good morning from Melbourne. We are headed towards the first point, which is Memorial Arch, and we are on highway C754. Let's get started then. Oh look who's driving! Hi guys! That is LIKHITH. I don't know where you are. What a good day. Starting my day with coffee, a hot cup of coffee, and on the way to Great Ocean Drive. It's a great feeling. I am in BLUFF Beach, and you can see over here there's always a warning written on us as signs. So let me show you the beach view. It's amazing. So here it comes.
So if you're out there, just run until the edge and fall into me and see where this could end.
This just feels like a home away from home. I miss my traveling days. Mangalore, Western Ghats. My goodness. It's just vans like this should come under a bucket list, like sleeping in these vans, having a mini bedroom, and the beach view. Who will say no to such life? Make sure to carry all the sanitizing needs, because the washrooms in these type of beaches are not that clean. So it's better to keep yourself hygiene. Guys, this is the must visit place. Everyone should come here at least once, guys. Come on. And you guys will love it for sure. And we still have a lot of kilometers to cover, and we are heading to the next destination. And let's just see like how does it look. So guys, make sure to carry your sleeveless shirts, because it's really sunny outside, and these type of shirts will really come handy out here. And cheers. The clear blue waters, and with a beautiful sky in a beautiful place. So guys, I have reached SHEOAK Falls now. So it's 100 meters, 15 minutes walk. It's straight up over there. Yeah, let's go ahead and check that out. So here, there's a warning given for the SHEOAK Falls that trees may fall down sometimes, and there's a warning for snakes as well. It's always better to be safe. So I'm back to my traveling life. Feels so. That way. Okay guys, so we reached SHEOAK Falls, and the water flow is actually low.
As we expected, there is no waterfall here, but the scenery is too good.
It's beautiful,
and
again.
The view is also
22 kilometers now, like in the current from the current location, and it's gonna take approximately up to half an hour to reach there. So let's just go check that out. This is how we have to go down all the way till there. place, guys. Do visit without fail. This is the most iconic place, one of the most iconic places in Australia. We have reached Twillop Hostels now, and it was a pretty tough drive, cruising over 100 into the Ghat section. It was like pretty amazing experience. So let me show you Twillop Hostels.
Wishing that I could run away with you. Imprisoned by fear, just pull me away, pull me away.